Welcome to the Magic Station channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this mini bag charm. To begin, make a foundation chain of 29 stitches. For the first row, we'll follow the pattern shown on the screen. Start with one chain stitch to bring the yarn up to the height of the row, then work 2 single crochets. Work the next 2 stitches as half double crochets. Work the following 2 stitches as double crochets. Then work 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. Continue following the pattern all the way to the end of the row. For the second row, join your second color. Work single crochets across the entire row. Make sure to work into the front loop only. For the very last stitch, insert your hook through the 2 outer edge loops. For the third row, cut the first color. Now follow the pattern shown on the screen. Work the entire row into the back loop only. For the fourth row, join your third color. Again, work single crochets across the entire row. This time, work into the front loop only. And this is the beautiful motif we've created. Now make a chain that is long enough to fit the bead you'll be using as a closure. This pattern can also be used for larger projects, such as bags. What do you think of this color combination and design? Thanks for watching, and thank you for the like!